Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, the second day out here at Boomerang Farm. It's also my birthday, so I got some new riding kit. Pretty stoked on it. Got the black on black Darko kit. But yeah, today we're going to be doing some of the tech trails, all the downhill stuff, you know, DH2, Rodney's, DH3, all that sort of stuff. But it's a chill little warm-up run down Sidewinder to start off. I was going way too slow for that. Okay, not gonna do Robbo's first run. Probably do it next run, or next time we go down here. Woo. Woo. We'll take the actual berm there. Woo. Oh, hit that rock. Nice. Those jumps are so easy to overshoot. So is that berm. Oh no, I missed that one. Oh well. Oh, almost missed the berm again. I barely jumped off that and it was not smart. Oh, that's a double. Keep forgetting that. Oh. Oh, wet here. Oh, that's not nice. Nice. Trying to hit some downhill stuff. Off camber, nice. Whew. It's a decent gap. Not doing that one. DH trails are not my forte, so slow. I'm gonna go very slow, especially on off-camber stuff. Get your foot out, don't fall off it. There we go, all good. Woo! Pretty steep. Spider web. Gap. Another little gap. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. I like that kind of stuff. Oh, that was really bad. Rocky stuff. Oh, it's a really bad line. Woo. Go high line there. Nah, not doing that today. I'm gonna manual it. I'm not manualing it. I didn't clear that one either. Woo. up that. My foot's not in the right spot. Oh, Jesus. There we go. We'll drop my tyres and not it up for DH. Or my bike in general isn't. Got stiff suspension, high tyre pressures. Is that the A line? Yeah, that's the A line. Oh. It's a gnarly A line. Oh, it's so slippy. What? No, just frick that up. There we go. Fixed it. Woo! Nice. Now into fun stuff, I think. DH trails are fun and all, but they're not my favourite. I rather flow. Flow's the good stuff. Water. No. Take the A line. Nice. Let's go. Doing Rodney's to shoot the chute. Woo, bad line through there. Probably not going to do DH3 today. My bike isn't set up for the tech. And I kind of was here for the flow stuff, so that's probably what I'm going to focus on. Ugh. Rodney's run. Little gap. Nice. What's this drop like? Oh, that's rollable. Okay, that's so good. Oh, that's pretty techy down there. Woo. Oh, that's pretty techy. Now we're looking for shoot the chute. Is that shoot the chute? Or is that Rodney's? Oh. Let's go. Turns out we actually missed the trail onto the double black that leads you onto what's it called? Shoot the chute. On Trail Fox it said it's Rodney's alternative, but it's actually Alter Ego. So we missed that. That's fine, just did a Rodney's run. And I don't really want to do tech, so I'm going up and doing some more flow stuff now. Doing the fun stuff. Nice. I'm not in the mood for tech anymore. Bike isn't set up right for tech. Woo! Good gap. To lower Rodney's tech. This is the only tech here that I like. It's super chunky tech. Woo. Here we go. See what happens. I'm trying to get a T-bog. Nah, don't think we're getting a T-bog off that. Let's go Sidewinder. Gonna try to get Robbo's riser done with trail speed. So not stopping at that bit and getting speed from there, just rolling in straight from down the trail. That's what I'm gonna try. Might need to pedal a little bit more into it, but woo! Put that one down, nice. So close to that bank. Okay. Give Robbo's a shot. Easy. Whew. Yeah, I wanted to get that drop, but not today. Or at least not now. I might do it after lunch. Oh, tip off there. Woo! Good lip. Oh, those jumps are actually so sick. Going way too slow into there. Woo! Now let's see. Nah. How the hell are you supposed to get the right line for that? Oh, that was really bad. Last run of the day, finishing off on Sidewinder to Mini Mega. Really practicing my corners and these kind of things. That was really good. Oh, way too inside. I've also... This would have to be my last run because don't know how, but I've somehow managed to break my shifting lever, so I can no longer shift up higher gears. So everything I have to do has got to be done in the highest gear, which means no trails that involve low gear pedaling. Okay, Robbo's. Woo! trying to hit this drop at negative speeds. That was much better. Don't hit the tree, okay. Nice. Nice. Got that last bit of the wall right, I'll take it. So fun, those jumps. Do not have the speed. Whew. We're not even going to try. There we go. Took us 2 whole days to get that jump, but we finally got it. Woo! Yeah, so that'll probably be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Very stoked on all that boomer stuff we've got done. Yeah, just stoked to have got out here. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and good. Bye.